Everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Welcome to Thrifting is My Beach. If you are a Poshmark seller, this video is for you, or if you're thinking about Poshmark. So it is mid-March of 2021 and Poshmark finally rolled out a new feature that is actually awesome. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks and just a general guidance of how to use this new feature, which is video clips of your items attached to your listing. So after your pictures, there's an option to upload a video. So you want to make sure it's like 10 to 15 seconds, preferably, because people are quick, right? So you want it short. You want to take in consideration your workspace. Behind me is where I take my pictures of clothes. As you can see, this is my bathroom door. What I do is I use an edit feature and white it out. You can't do that with videos. So what do you have to do? Well, unless you have a little photo studio or a photo box, you're gonna have to improvise. You can either use a shower curtain, they're usually less expensive, or you can go online or to your local fabric store and get a piece of fabric. I went on Amazon and got a large backdrop. It's like gray, white marble effect for I think $30. So whatever's in your budget, just keep that in mind when you do your videos. You need to pay attention to the surroundings, okay? Because people do not like dirty backgrounds. They want it crisp and clean, and maybe a little aesthetic according to if your closet's curated or not. So I sell everything, so it doesn't really matter. I just want it to look clean and professional. So I will have to hang a backdrop, which I've done before in the past. I will hang up my backdrop behind me, and I have a mannequin or dress form for my item. Nothing fancy schmancy, just make it quick. And you should start doing this because it bumps you up in the algorithm. So any new features on social media platforms, including Poshmark, they want you to take advantage of these new features, and possibly it could bump you up in the rankings and search or on the typical news feed. Okay, other things to keep in mind. If you are modeling clothes, make sure that they look clean. They are lint rolled, because a lot of times you can hide flaws when you are taking pictures and you're editing. So in videos, you cannot. If it is a flawed item, it would be a great idea for you to show that flaw in video. It's more trusting to buyers, which is a huge factor in this new release of the videos. Buyers want trust, like that's just it. And they hear of all these scammers online, and so I think these videos will help buyers feel that you are a trustworthy seller. Okay, along with trust is sound. You don't have to have any sound. There is a button that you push when you're uploading your video to have no sound. As a shopper, I turn away from noises. I am a stay-at-home mom, well, work-at-home mom, and a lot of times my kids are sleeping, or I'm on my phone in bed next to somebody sleeping to me, and if a loud sound comes on, I'm going to exit it and stop immediately. So I would consider not doing sound. I don't know about adding text to your videos. I do have a video editing app where I can add words, and so that actually may be beneficial to put the size and the price and possibly even measurements, but that may be too much. It's all up to you, whatever works for you and your business. I just started taking short little videos today. However, I sell on other platforms, and so like Etsy lets you add little videos. This isn't huge for me, except for it's a new platform. So just wanted to get that out there. Now, if you are possibly modeling jewelry, or you're even pointing to flaws on clothes, you want to also note your fingers. If you have nails, make sure they look clean and they're not dirty, okay? If you have your nails painted, make sure they aren't chipped. And a little trick, because if I don't have fake nails on, I'm a nail biter, happened my whole life. If there is a flaw, instead of pointing at something like this and showing your nasty nail, yes, I'm showing you my nasty nail, turn it that way. Now they don't see it, okay? Keep that in mind. Okay, so I hope these little tips and tricks are helpful. You need to try to do this with your current listings moving forward. I would not go and get your inventory and take videos. If you hang your stuff on a hanger, just show the front and the back if you want to show the tag as well, or any flaws. This is a big factor for flaws, okay? So now I'm going to go on and I'm going to show you some of today's items, like some jewelry that I'm doing, okay? So come with me and see how I'm kind of setting up my videos for that, okay? Here I have a necklace I'm just showing, and it's hard to focus. So as you see, once I put my hand behind it, you can see the details a lot better. So then I go out and I show the full necklace. Here's a bracelet I'm modeling. It is by Cabby. I think I'm going to list it for $30, $35, depending on which platform. Okay, so this was in the Poshmark app. When you go to list, you have to at least have a cover shot in, and then you simply click add photo/video. Video. You need to enable, technically you don't need the mic, but that's okay. So I'm actually going to go here because I've already recorded it, and I need to go to, I'm under images. I need to go to videos. See, this is my first time. Can you tell? There we go. Oh, duration below 15 seconds. Okay, good to note. So you'll have to delete or edit my video down. So as you can see, you learned along with me. Your video has to be less than 15 seconds. I tried uploading a video that was exactly 15 seconds, and it says it has to be less than. So I had to go on my phone and edit the video to cut it down to 14 seconds. So keep that in mind, as that's an additional step. So make sure that it's a short video, okay? Also, get creative or not. It's whatever you have time for. For me, I'm not going to get very creative unless I'm possibly modeling a vintage piece, and if anything, I'll maybe do a twirl, but time is money, so take it as you want for your business, but just wanted to share this little tip. Also, as a side note, as I'm sure you're aware, there is also a new feature that I like as well for listing on Poshmark, where you can now offer discounts on shipping on your listing, okay? So you can offer. Right, so here we have a new listing that I just created, and I have just put in the price and every other entry that I needed to do. So here you will see the new feature for the discounted shipping. Now this necklace is new. It is unbranded. It's not silver or sterling silver, so I'm just putting it at $20, and I will accept a pretty cheap offer. So let's go and check it out. So you click on discounted shipping. This is what pops up. The $5.95 obviously is will take the least amount from your profits versus the free shipping, which means you'll pay the full $7.45. I think that's the amount. It changes every year, as you know, but I don't think I will offer any discount specifically for this listing since it's only $20. As for my business, I like to use the send an offer with the discounted shipping. So it's kind of an extra entice. I'm not going to use this on lower dollar items. I may consider using it for items that are possibly listed over 30. But like I said, this item is only a $20 item. So apply, and there you go. No discount, or whichever discount you want to offer. And all you do is you click next. Ooh, my story. Let's see. When you add a video to a listing for the first time, it will automatically appear in your story for 48 hours. How cool. All right. Here you go. My first story, guys. Check it out. Boom. Here is my listing. It just went live, so I wanted to go ahead and show you. Here's the video, and this is what it looks like. It's interesting to note that you can put the noise on. So just make note of that when you're uploading. And it is showing that it is a full 15 seconds. So that's interesting to note. So yeah. A smaller discount, which is $5.95 for shipping, which is new. Before, you could only offer free shipping or $4.99 shipping. So having that $5.95 shipping offer is a nice option. So you can do that one, you can do the $4.99, or you can do free shipping or none. It's however your business model works, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below. Do you plan on using this new feature for Poshmark? Yes, no, and why? All right, well, I hope you guys are staying safe and have a thriftlicious day. All right, bye.